Hey, this is Michael. I wanted to show you this quick video to show you what you're going to see inside of the niche quiz you're about to take. This is going to be the page you'll come to. You'll likely, maybe you're reading this from a post of mine or a video, but you can go ahead and click a link and it should take you, or a button, and it should take you here. And it should look something like this. Maybe it'll be updated in the future, but you're going to go ahead and click on Start Quiz. And you're just going to be asked a number of questions, okay? It's super quick, right? It won't take you more than a minute. And you can blaze through this and then just take your time too, because this is really going to help you personalize your results, because I'm going to show you what the thank you page or the results page looks like. So, you can answer these questions as truthfully as you can. Put a response there. There's going to be some of them where you could just put in a comment section, different hobbies that you may have. Just go ahead and try to choose one so we can focus on one only. And you have an expertise in your job that you can share with somebody who's already interested. And then, just a series of questions and then more from there. But towards the end of it, you're going to come to a page like this that says, congratulations, you achieved the following results. And based on the questions and the responses you're giving, you're going to get a personalized results in a specific industry that you should go into. And then you should follow that up then with some more research. That, of course, is something that we all do when we get started, right? We find our niche and then we start to research how we can add value and stuff like that. So something more or less like this. So you're going to come here, and then there's going to be different business models, okay, where you can go ahead and choose from depending on what way you're looking at it. One of these is called affiliate marketing, which is basically promoting other people's products and services without having to own your own product, or you don't have to start with one. You can do it in the future if you would like to, but not needed. So that'll show you how to do that and earn commissions doing it. It's a great business model to get into. It's what I use. It's what I've been doing to make this a full-time from home. And literally, I can do this from anywhere I want to. Business model number 2, digital agency. That means just helping out businesses get more leads, right? Qualified ones, and then customers. This is something that I do too. If you want to go that route, you can go ahead and do that. Select from there. Business on model number 3, course creation. If you want to learn how to bundle your expertise, your knowledge into a course, sell that, membership, stuff like that, you can go ahead and choose that one. Business model number 4, network marketing. You can go ahead and get started with that one. And there's a whole bunch of them out there, e-com, Amazon, and stuff like Amazon FBA, so many more. But these are like some of the main ones, especially the ones that I'm using. And if there's other ones that you need help with, just go ahead and make sure you check your email, because you're going to be getting the document to your email. And you can also respond back to me there or on my social media channels, wherever it is you need to. Reach out to me with any questions, comments, concerns that you have, and then we will go ahead and take it from there. But once you click on one of these, it may take you to like a video, it might take you to like one of my YouTube videos. It might take you to an opt-in, but it's always worth going that extra step. So make sure you click one of these. If you want to learn about them all, you can always do that too. But video or a post or an opt-in, and then if you're watching that video, if it takes you like to some kind of a video, look in the description too, so you can get access to the material that you need to move you forward. Okay, so that's everything from me. Thank you.